In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an upper control arm on your Ford Expedition. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. We're going to put a jack under our lower control arm. We're going to jack it up just a little bit. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the nut. We're going to hit this area with the hammer to relieve the tension on the stud. We're going to pop the arm out of the knuckle. Make sure it moves freely. Using a 27mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Using a pry bar, we're going to pry the control arm out of position and then remove it. Install the arm into position and get the stud started in the knuckle. I'm going to thread the nut on just a few threads. I'm going to go slightly up on my jack. We're going to push on the top of the rotor, and we're going to push in, and when we do this, it's going to push our arm into position. As we push, we're going to put our bolt in. Keep going. We're going to put our plate with our nut into place. Push the bolt through and then get it started. Snug down the bolt. Using a 21mm wrench and a 10mm socket, we're going to hold the stud as we snug down the nut. Remove the jack. Torque this bolt to 166 foot-pounds. Torque the nut to 76 foot-pounds. Install the wheel and get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.